Hello and welcome to CryptoTrends. In today's video, we'll be talking about NFTs to watch out for in 2020. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more videos like this. Non-fungible tokens or NFT cryptos have piqued the interest of Wall Street. So far in 2021, the prices of many altcoins that are at the forefront of NFT growth have skyrocketed. There are millions of NFTs and hundreds of new projects that appear to be launched daily. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors from all over the world keep a close eye on the NFT market for new and interesting projects and trends. Do you want to know which NFT projects you'll be following in 2022? If you are, then watch this video all the way to the end. Today we will primarily discuss avatars and profile pictures. We won't be looking at land NFTs. We'll be looking at publicly available mid to high tier NFTs. Before we proceed, please note that this is not financial advice. The crypto space and NFT verse are incredibly risky, so do your research and seek advice from a financial advisor before you invest. The first NFT we'll be looking at is World of Women. The World of Women, or WOW, NFT project is a collection of 10,000 one-of-a-kind, powerful and diverse women NFTs that have already established themselves as a fixture in the NFT space. Yam Karkai has led and illustrated the project since its original launch date of July 27, 2021, and it sold out almost immediately after Gary Vee mentioned it. WOW are ERC-721 tokens at their core, and they're hosted on IPFS. Each piece of artwork is composed of unique attributes with varying degrees of rarity. Yam, the founder and artist, created all the elements in her signature style using Procreate and Adobe Illustrator. She also has a Genesis crypto art collection called Women by Yam, Females in the Spotlight, which was first released on Foundation and OpenSea. Although this collection is sold out, there are still a few pieces available on the secondary market. WOW also values transparency, which is why they shared all of the project's preliminary details before launching. People interested in collecting a WOW NFT would have a solid resource to help them understand the project's goals and utilities as a result. One of the most important aspects of WOW's mission is to support one-of-a-kind artists. WOW has helped numerous artists and even has its NFT collection, which is supported by the WOW Fund. Celebrity support for the sale can be attributed to Farouk, Steve Aoki, Logan Paul, and Gary Vee, CEO of VaynerMedia, among others. The tokens were initially available for 0.07 ETH but can now be purchased for up to $300,000. The World of Women NFTs provides holders with the commercial rights to their art, which is a cool perk. That means that you can use your WOW NFT as a front-facing logo to create your brand. Recently, one holder used their WOW to launch their own apple cider brand, and another collector used hers to create her own digital identity. Token holders are entitled to 50% of the royalties generated by the creator's commercial use of the image, and the owners have the right to use the image commercially if they so desire. 15% of all primary sales proceeds will be reinvested in crypto art. Tokens in the Royalties Club receive a share of 50% of the royalties earned from secondary token sales. At the moment, royalties account for 4% of the secondary sales revenue, which means that 2% goes to members. Tokens in the Investors Club entitle holders to a 50% share of all profits generated by the World of Women Fund. This does not represent total profits. Rather, it refers to the previously mentioned 15% reinvested in crypto art. Tokens in the Curators Club gain entry into the raffle, in which the winner each month gets to choose the next piece of crypto art purchased by the World of Women Fund, up to a value of 0.3 ETH. The NFT world has traditionally been dominated by men, but with WOW NFT, we can see women entering this space and expressing themselves. Next on the list of NFTs to watch out for in 2022 is Deadfellas. On the Ethereum blockchain, Deadfellas is a collection of 10,000 undead NFTs. Every holder has exclusive access to the latest developments in the NFT tech sphere, as well as art, culture, and community. The first public mint was announced a week after the project launched in early August. Deadfellas, like many generative profile picture collections, has many characteristics that make each NFT unique. Deadfellas has over 300 randomly generated trait combinations, as well as over 50 different outfits. Some of the most important characteristics are eye grade, mouth grade, and nose grade. The body of these NFTs is divided into several categories. The Sand Camo Jacket, White Brand Tee, and Pilot Jacket are just a few examples. The public mint was planned differently by the team. They set aside 2,000 NFTs for early supporters, 1,300, and released them in stages for giveaways, 700. The remaining 8,000 coins were available for purchase at the public mint. The minting fee was set at 0.025 ETH. The maximum number of mints per buyer was 13. It was truly a jackpot for those who were able to enter. They would now make more than 30x returns if they believed in the project and refused to sell for small profits. Both Deadfellas artists have extensive experience in the creative industry. Betty is the co-creator of the creative production agency in Australia with clients all over the world. She's a hardworking woman who wishes to uplift others and intends to do so through her fantastic art concepts. Syke is the other Deadfellas creator. He is the collection's lead artist. He truly understands what it takes to create art that attracts and inspires people from all over the world. Having over 13 years of experience, he also belongs to the Ultra DAO and the Depth Core Collective. Deadfellas has a very strong community that is active on all platforms and provides support whenever the team requires it. They have over 50,000 followers on Twitter and 11,000 on Discord. The team has also done an excellent job of keeping community members engaged in the Discord server through derivative contests, quizzes, and other activities. The community is strong and it has produced excellent content on platforms such as Twitter, piquing the interest of new audiences in the NFT space. They also have separate feedback and suggestion channel. And from what I've seen, the team takes all feedback into account and does their best to implement it. It's difficult to fail in the long run with a community-driven approach. The Deadfellas Collective's strong price movement is largely due to its sale history and floor price. The total sale volumes for Deadfellas in the last 7 days is $913.67 thousand, with an average price of $3.3 thousand for one Deadfellas NFT. This equates to a total trading volume of $156.46 billion. The most money was sold for 25 ETH. Despite a major correction that occurred a while ago, sales are continuing to rise. When a community is willing to hold their NFTs for a long time, demand rises automatically, providing astronomical returns to all early members. Deadfellas is a stunning NFT collection that has made it this far without any social media hype or shoutouts from famous people. It's entirely driven by the community, and if that continues, we will see great things from this collection. If you want to learn more about this collection, you should join their Discord server and speak with as many members as you can. The next NFT we'll be looking at today is Doodles. Dapper Labs alumni Ivan Keast and Jordan Castro are well-known, renowned artist Burnt Toast founded Doodles. The trio chose West Coast NFT as a partner because their breadth of expertise, experienced team, and core values centered on democratizing the NFT industry and making it accessible to all. West Coast NFT, founded in 2021 by Steve Mitobi, Hexbyte Labs, is a full-service NFT development agency focusing on providing artists with the technical support they need to ensure their drop is a success. West Coast NFT's talented team of experts specializes in custom smart contracts and works directly with artists to launch their custom NFT projects. West Coast NFT is a growing team of 12 full-time members, ranging in specialization from art curation and marketing consultation to smart contract experts and developers, with a focus on indie artists and empowering creators to monetize and make a living off their art. Doodle NFTs are a collection of 10,000 unique characters living on the Ethereum blockchain each, with 100 exciting traits such as face, hair, hats, bodies, and backgrounds. Each doodle created by Burnt Toast is meant to bring joy, and they do. The primary palette of this project is vibrant, pastel colors, with each character being unique. Holding a doodle allows you to participate in coordinating the Doodles community treasury, which is arguably one of the strongest communities in the NFT space. Holders can vote for Doodle-related experiences, activations, and campaigns. The Doodles journey is entirely collaborative, with Doodle holders making the final decision. And this is just the beginning. If collaborating with Doodles wasn't enough, West Coast NFT recently announced another collaboration with digital artist model and 3D virtual model creator Siobhan Wong to launch her latest NFT project, Love is Love, which sold out in less than an hour. The last NFT we'll be looking at today, CyberKongz VX. CyberKongz VX is the world's first randomly generated NFT collection made with Vox Edit. All CyberKongz VX will be playable as avatars in the sandbox thanks to an innovative new layer of NFT interoperability. This allows CyberKongz VX owners to participate in the sandbox's play-to-earn mechanics, along with the 350-plus unique NFTs in our collection. The sandbox houses many CyberKongz NFTs. CyberKongz has been eager to develop and foster their own lore as they build a world where the community can interact and grow with them. From their 2D NFT origins to their next evolution as 3D voxel inhabitants of the sandbox, they hope to grow into a large city with an active economy in the sandbox, with thousands of players participating in the CyberKongz ecosystem. With their tiered system of Genesis, Baby, and now VX, everyone can join in on the fun, allowing cyberkongs to offer a full range of 2D to 3D social NFT avatars. The public mint of 10,000 cyberkongs VX was sold out in 30 minutes, resulting in a whopping 1,430 ETH burned, putting it first on the leaderboard of top ETH burners that day, surpassing both NFT marketplace OpenSea and leading decentralized exchange Uniswap combined. The team donated 10% of their collected funds to Virunga National Park and cotap.org, offsetting 4,304 tons of CO2 and assisting the national park in overcoming unprecedented pandemic challenges. Cyberkongs has collaborated with the Sandbox to create a world that can accommodate the wide range of characters that various factions can explore with this fellow tribespeople. Whether it's the Top Hat Gang, the VR Crew, Cyber Brains, or one of the many Pirate Kongs, Cyberkongs has acquired several lands on which to build metaverse experiences and games. The Shrine of Truth, a magnificent landmark created as a collaboration between Sandrush and Light Trail Adventures that took over 3 months to create, was Cyberkong's first land acquisition in the Sandbox. The Shrine of Truth NFT and the 3x3 estate auction on OpenSea was highly anticipated, and Cyberkongs won in an epic bidding war. The Shrine of Truth was renamed after receiving it. Kong's Island will be a massive island with ancient ruins, vast jungles, and vast areas divided into different biomes, ranging from icy landscapes to desert canyons. Kong's Island's capital would serve as the main social hub for all visitors. Because of the size of the plot of land, it is possible to create a one-of-a-kind environment. There may also be an opportunity to construct a variety of Easter eggs or secret areas within the island's boundaries. NFTs are wonderful projects that can set you up big time if you do it right. So do it right. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos like this. While you're here, click on one of the other 2 videos on your screen and we will see you there.